Yes. Yeah, I've seen you on TikTok, girl.
Yes. I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah. Yeah. What's happening, everybody? So my guest today in Learning Spanish with Ruhama is none other, the also beautiful, talented, Simphiwe Ngema. So the word that I want to teach you today, it's in Spanish and it's Nina. What do you think it means? And we actually have it in Zulu, Natine. Nina is like a mother.
Yeah.
So in Spanish, what do you think it means?
Nina definitely does not mean mother. I think. Nina. I think it's breast. My Nina's. I don't know.
But funny enough, it's a long family line.
Really?
So, yeah.
Do you think, is it grandma?
Well, Nina means little girl.
Oh, Nina.
Nina. Yeah, it means little girl. Like, that's interesting, right?
Yeah, very interesting.
Spanish. Hey, maybe we have
Live and you
Spanish.
learn.
Maybe we have Spanish. Who knows? How come we have same words?
You'll never know. Nina, no Nina. Is that how you pronounce it? Nina.
Yeah.
Okay.
Interesting,
Little
right?
girl.
Yeah. And people can follow you on social media on
It's at Simphiwe Ngema on Instagram. It's at Simphiwe Ngema. It's at Sims_Ngema on Twitter. And at Sims_Ngema89 on TikTok.
Yes. Yeah, I've seen you on TikTok, girl.
I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah. Oh man, we are learning some Spanish, honey. Welcome to it again. This is indeed Learning Spanish with me, Ruhama. Please subscribe, share, comment, and like this lesson. And today, the word of the day is niña. It's niña or Nina, whatever works for you, which means little girl, niña. If you want to be really, really like a Spanish bujinya naso, kanawari niña, But if you want to just remember Nina, still the same thing. It's actually spelled exactly the same way we spell it in our language. And Nina, in our language, in Zulu, in South Africa, it means Nina is a mother. Nina, is a mother, but it can also mean you guys. Hey Nina, futhi Nina. Hey futhi Nina. You see, in Zulu, Nina means two things. It can mean you guys, it can also mean mother. So basically how you can put Nina or Niña in a sentence is saying, amo a mi niña. Yes. Amo a mi niña. Slowly, let's go. Amo a mi niña. I love my little girl. Amo a mi niña. I love my little girl. That's how you can put it in a sentence. But yeah, so you let me know in the comments if you want to pronounce it as unina or you want to pronounce it as niña. Niña, nya, like nya, it has that nya, niña, or Nina. Mina, I want to say Nina. Nina, amo a mi Nina. Uzongtin. So yeah, in Zulu, Nina means mother, but it can also mean you guys, In a sentence in Zulu, the word Nina, you can use it by saying, "Hey, futhi Nina." Yabona makuyini nina anizojiva shem. Nizoba right. Nina. Or you can say, Opo Nina, where's your mother? Nina is mother. So pretty interesting, right? We have Zulu words in Spanish. Very interesting. It'll be very easy to learn this language. So come on a ride with me. Sizofika, guys. Nani? Sizofika. We'll get there. So thank you so much for subscribing, for watching. Until next time, my honeys. I'll see you later. I'm talking. Hey,